Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this Ekleva HD car DVR player. So as you can see, it's just plain box. Bought it on Lazada for RM 350. So that's around less than USD 100. And this is a unit without the front camera at its back, but it does provide me a real camera. So let's unbox this. So it came without sealed, so I don't know what happened there. Probably they have to adjust some settings, but that's not our point here. It does have a very small remark here saying this is a 10.26 inch CarPlay, and then it remarks here saying there's no front camera, and I'm okay with that because I already have a dash cam, and this is mainly for me to have a bigger screen, and that's all. Without further ado, let's unbox this. I don't know why the box is a little bit tiered. But given the price, I'm fine with it. So yeah, let's unbox this. So this is the screen itself. We're gonna put this aside. Let's see what else is in the box. So we get this suction cup, and then the suction is actually transparent, which is not a nice touch because if you put it under the sun over time, it's gonna turn yellow and it's gonna feel disgusting. This is the thing that attached to this bag, and then you actually get some sort of extension, and you also can adjust this. Oh, it's pretty, yeah, you can adjust this, and then also you get to adjust your angle of your screen and then turn this to lock it. And then this is your suction, and then press this down to put it in the spot in the place, and that's about it. So yeah, one small touch is this is a transparent, so over time it gets yellow and wouldn't look nice. Or you can also use this. So this is the one that you can just tear this off and then just stick it onto your dash, and then attach it to here and then lock it in place. So they gave you two options. Overall, I don't want to leave sticking marks, so I would prefer to use this. And then we have also this thing here, so I believe this is, you actually still need to stick it on your dashboard, I guess, and then stick and then put this one here. So yeah, let's see which one we'll use. What else is in the box? So this is the power that connects to your DVR to your cigarette port, and then this is a USB-C. We'll go through the I/O later, and then this is where you slot into your cigarette port, and then there will be a small LED telling you it's powered. One thing I noticed is it does come with a USB slot, so I don't need this, but I guess this is a safeguard, but the cable management will be a bit tougher. And then I think that's it. There's no aux cable actually, so one less port. Good. And then this is aux cable, very long, gold plated actually. Yeah, very long. I'm not gonna use it. And then we also have this rear camera. So yeah, so as I mentioned, it does not come with front camera, but it does come with rear camera. And then there's a double tap here. So this is the camera itself, pretty big. Should be waterproof, and it's very long. So this is the one that you connect to the back of your unit, and this red cable is for you to connect to one of your reverse bulb. So how it works is that when you switch to your reverse gear and it sends power to your reverse bulb, this gets some power and tells the unit that you're reversing, and then the unit will start displaying the rear, what you're seeing on the rear. So pretty interesting implementation. Yeah, and also very long, so I'm not going to go through this. So we'll want to see the unit here. So this is the screen itself, and it does have the screen protector here. What I'm going to do is to try and, so it says 10.26 inch. I'm just going to be very careful using my ruler to just, oh wow, okay, just briefly measure if it's really 10.26 inch, because let me just try again. Because I do suspect that it's not, and the screen is actually more 9 inch diagonally, so it's not exactly 10.26. I guess the 10.26 is if you measure the entire yeah, so this is 10.26. So let me just bring it up to your screen just to let you see. Yeah, so it's more like a 10.26. So the screen size is actually just 9 inch. So let's not get too much hope on that. Yeah, so so there's a power button here, and then USB-C, so that's your power source, and then the one that you connect to your your rear camera, and then the TF card, and then the AUX cable. This is how you attach your unit. So for example, I'm gonna tear this out, and then yeah, so this is how you put it on, and then you just stick it on your car. So I've tested this unit out. I mean, it's a bit laggy. It's saying it's a 2 gig 32 2 gig RAM, 32 gig ROM, I think, but I'm not able to verify the specs. But what I can do is just to show you the version. So I've got the software TF. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, TF 790, and then the 10.26 FAC. The software version is 2023 September 19, pretty recent, and this is an IPS display. The resolution is 1600 x 600, fairly decent, but a bit glary. But I'm not sure if I peel this screen protector off. And one thing I noticed when I started out is it starts pretty fast. I hope, I would say so, but this is my first time having this kind of unit, but I can't really turn off this sound. Yeah, so it gets a bit annoying, honestly, and what you can only do is to just, you know, lower down your volume, which is not what I want. Yeah, so recorder here, see, doesn't yeah, so that thing gets really annoying. And then you can adjust your brightness here. It goes pretty bright, and I'm not sure if there's ambient sensing, so hopefully when you drive at night it wouldn't automatically flash in your face. But I mean, I will hope that it can adjust its light brightness itself, but I don't know if I see any sensor here. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, power button here. Right, what else do I want to show? So this is the replay. I have nothing on it. I have yet to try it on my car, so I also don't know the footage quality of the rear camera. But the rear camera can record up to 1080p. If you get the one with the camera behind, can record up to 4K. And I think the model number for this is TF10. I've been searching, doing my research all the while on YouTube, Lazada and Shopee. There's so many models with similar design, just with a different branding. So I kind of suspect that this is all from the same manufacturing plant, but then they slap on, you know, different brands. There's so many, just to differentiate itself, but they are essentially the same. So you know, the brand I have here is Ekleva. I know Seiken has the same one. Adikas probably. It's just it's not clear honestly, and I think the main difference is only the software version. So the reason I got this, which I mean I could find a cheapest one at less than 300 that looks the same, but I chose with the Ekleva simply because I know this lets me, you know, navigate. This lets me connect Android Auto here, and then also lets my phone to connect Bluetooth to my car's Bluetooth speaker, so that way I can navigate by looking at this screen, but also hear my music through my car audio, not with this stock speaker or FM transmitter or aux, because I know the aux may have bad quality because of noise, and then the FM may have some interference sometimes. So the best quality for me is actually using Bluetooth. So I've also tried connecting with my Android and then also my Apple, and it does both works wirelessly. You don't have to connect through wire, so which is what I wanted. And now I just want to demo to you, you know, how do you connect it Android Auto, but then also play music on it. So right now I'm trying to connect it. So I have to go into here and then put this on. So let me just try and connect it again. So I'm connected now. Yep. I'm not sure, but yeah. I guess you can see the speed of it, but yeah. Anyways, and then here is my Bluetooth speaker. So assuming this is my car audio speaker, and then I want to. So I'm already playing Genshin music. Oh wait, yeah. So I have to do this. Yeah. And then let's just say that I need to connect to my Bluetooth speaker. Is it this one? So it's just trying to connect here.
Connected.
Right? So I'm connected. So yeah. So I can go to Google Maps and stuff like that. And then you also can adjust this. Right? So as you can see, I can control it here, but then play music through the speaker, which is exactly what I want, because I wasn't sure if this can work, but and my main purpose of this video is just to show you it works this way, because this was very important to me. Now, yeah, so you can also scroll everything. As you can see, it's a bit laggy but usable. Stuff like that, you know, you can open maps and stuff. I'm not exactly sure how to display both of them, and I want the map to be bigger, but yeah, I'm still trying to learn more about it. Yeah, okay, so I guess you can switch it like this. Yeah, so it's a bit laggy, and I'm still trying to learn the navigation, and I don't know how to go back to the home screen. But yeah. Well, anyway, this is how you go back to the home screen. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm going to install this on my car and then try to let you see my thoughts after using it. I do get a bit worried because everything's a bit laggy, and then you might, imagine every time you have to like turn on everything to connect it properly before I enter the car, which takes time from what I can tell. Probably doesn't worth the time for me to actually use it, but let's see. Yeah, that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. I will also link the item in my video description, so you can have a look. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Do watch out for my future videos when I install this, and then also the rear camera in my brother Viva, which is already 17 years old, but we'll see. Oh yeah, so thank you. Goodbye.